Student, in previous class we have discussed about type of fraction. Now we will learn about addition of fraction. But before to start addition of fraction, we need to learn about LCM. Now what is LCM? LCM is least common multiple. It means a number which completely divisible by another given two number. Now suppose there are two number 8 and 12. Now these both number are divisible by 2. It means 2 is least common multiple of these number. Now what is multiple? A number that may be divided by another number with no remainder. It means a given number should be completely divisible by another small number. Let us consider example. Suppose 18 as a given. Now you can see 18 is multiple of 1, 2, 3, 9 and 18 because 18 is completely divisible by 1, also by 2, also by 3 and 9, similarly by 18. Now we can say that 18 is multiple of 1, 2, 3, 9 and 18, and 1, 2, 3, 9, 18 are factors of 18. It means multiple and factors are related inversely to each other. Similarly, we can consider another example 12 where you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12 and 12 is multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now next factor. It, it is clear what is factor because by discussing about multiple we have introduced this term. A factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. In previous example 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the multiple factors of 12 because 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 6 completely divide 12. So let us consider another example 30 and 5, in which you can see here 5 completely divides 30. It means 5 is a factor of 30 and 30 is multiple of 5. Is it clear? Now what is LCM? LCM least common multiple. Now consider an example LCM of 8 and 42. Now we will take LCM of 8 and 42 by prime factorization method. We have already discussed about what is prime number. Here you can see that 8 and 42 firstly we divided by 2. When we divide 8 and 42 by 2, we will get 4 and 21. And further, we will divide both number by 2 until they completely divided by 2. So, LCM of 8 and 42, you can see that here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and 7. So, answer will be 168. This is LCM 168 of 8 and 42 by prime factorization method, and these are common multiples of 8 and 42. Now another example LCM of 3, 12 and 15. Similarly we use prime factorization method to determine LCM of these number 3, 12 and 15. So first of all we can see here 12 is divisible by 2, so we divide firstly by 2. We will get 3, 6 and 15 because 3 is not divisible by 2, and similarly 15 is not divisible by 2, but 12 is divisible by 2. So first of all we divide these number by 2. Now by processing we get LCM of these number is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 and answer will be 60. So LCM of 3, 12 and 15 equal to 60. Please remember this. We determine LCM by prime factorization. It means we only consider primes number. Primes number. What is prime number? You can see that prime number is that number which has only two factor, 1 and itself. You can see here 2 is also prime number, 3 also prime number, 5 also prime number, and so on. Is it clear? Now after these term we will introduce the concept of addition of fraction. LCM helps to solve the addition of fraction, which we will discuss in next class. So do practice for this.